next?
Tuples.
Okay.
So that, and then so tuples are also used to store multiple items in a single variable. We're creating a tuple
Yeah.
but equal to make it like some a comma b comma c, then printing this tuple.
Okay.
So you know about length function? Length
Length functions.
means like considering a
Uh,
list 1, 2, 3,
write
4,
one. Yes.
5, like so
Okay.
some
Length of
values.
list.
Yeah, so like print of length of list. So it prints it.
Alien and list.
Yeah. So it is a built-in function, right?
Yes.
So we need to like we need length without using built-in
Yeah.
function. So how you can do?
Without giving. Your voice
Without
is
using
breaking.
length, without using length, built-in length function. Hello.
Okay.
So we need to count how
Yeah.
many
Hello.
elements in the list. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Like we need to count how many numbers. Hello.
In a list. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. So you
Okay.
mean without using length function, how we
Yes.
can write the
How we can count the
length of
elements?
that?
How many elements in a list or length
Okay.
of the list?
So what is the syntax? I don't know.
Okay. First, considering like sum equal to 0, like sum not print,
Okay.
consider length, and then for I in list,
Okay, here we are using okay for loop.
length plus equal to 1, and then print of length. It returns 8. So here we're
Okay.
considering the for loop, like first considering first element, and then so if for I is means 1 in that list, so we can incrementing the length every time. So after 43 there is no element, so it returns like loop will be terminated, and then print function will print the output.
Okay, I understand.
Yes. So in tuple also we use like print of length of tuple. So here length is 3,
Yes.
and then so print of like type, which type is it is?
It is a string.
No, no, class tuple.
Okay, tuple.
Yeah. So in list we also like enter integers, strings, and also boolean functions also. In numpy you can see all those things. So in tuple also we can give strings and also integers and also bool functions.
Hmm.
And also in tuple like we give all strings int and Boolean functions all in a one tuple, like creating a tuple
Okay.
equal to ABC, and then comma given fire, and then comma given false is a boolean value, and then that's it. I think. Right. And then print of tuple.
We can write anything. My laptop is not working, I think. Now it's
Yeah.
working. Okay. I know this tuple can store anything, integer, float, or boolean, or string, anything it can store the
So you know
store.
about tuple constructor.
No.
So like here a equal to like using you know about like list of using for integers like map of int comma input of. So in tuple we can directly assign tuple of like apple,
Okay.
and then one, then some, and then print of a.
So it will print everything.
Wait, tuple object is not callable. Okay, why it shows error?
Number
Tuple
cannot be given in the double quotes.
like it's also convert into string. Like, okay, wait. They're given in single quotes.
Okay. Hmm.
That's why. Wait.
Okay, you cannot call tuple a equal to, you have already assigned a variable a equal to tuple, and then you are calling the tuple as print a. It's not print. Just write print tuple, then it will give the output.
No. I think any
Remove
mistake
a,
here.
then it will not give you.
Okay, tuple is not callable, right?
Explain error, click in, that you will get the answer. Tuple object is not callable. It's already written.
So we need to import tuple. Okay, we read the same syntax. We need to import tuple. Okay, we need to install.
You don't have tuple.
I didn't install that.
Could not find a version.
Okay, know this. I think I don't know why it shows error. You can try in online Python compiler. It prints output, right?
Okay. Here the
So
output is given,
yes, so
and but
let's
here in Google Colab is not giving the output.
output. Yeah.
As is not a variable.
Okay. So okay. So in Google Colab it doesn't print the output. So in normal compiler it prints the output about tuples.
Okay.
So in tuple also we can access the elements. So from tuple of 0 above it prints the ABC. So same about slicing also, etc. So in
Hmm.
list and tuples, it allows it is an ordered, like it contains indexes 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n, and it allows duplicate values also.
Okay.
And then next about set function.
Set.
Yes.
I
So
think
one
you are
format.
repeating the same thing yesterday we have learned.
Yeah, yesterday. Okay. So if we print here and then 34. Okay, and also given same number. Print offset. Okay, it's 34.1.
Yeah, it's correct.
Here insets it doesn't allow the duplicates.
In set is
Yes,
give the order, ascending
it
order.
like it doesn't contains any order. It's an unordered.
But here,
So
see,
it doesn't
one, two.
contains any indexes also.
Okay. So what is the difference here? Why is given 1, 2, and then 34? Okay, yeah, it does not contain the duplicate values. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Now
Then
I understand.
we like in every time I think set with printing. Okay. Then converting a list to like a list contains some values, and then like we convert into a set also.
Hmm. Print set of list. Yeah. In front of list, you have given the set
Wait, wait.
command, then it will print into set. What happened? Again, you are given a assigned a value.
Set object is not callable. Okay. Okay. Like I think set of is a function. Then converting given a list. Wait. Hmm. You're considering this. See, and then list of set. Okay. That's why that was. So we have to do coding daily.
Yes.
Otherwise, we can forget the syntaxes.
Use chat GPT.
I think no need. We did a mistake here. Mm, think uh, tuple of list, right? Set of list. I think we're giving a list. So you can try in tuple.
Tuple is written in capital.
Alright. Converting a list into tuple. Okay, nothing. Why it shows error? Shit. In Google Colab it shows error.
But here it is printing.
Yeah, it's printing. And yeah, that's why I'm still confusing. So here,
That's why I told you don't use the Google Colab for everything.
yeah, okay. And then so again gamma and then convert into
And then use the print
set of
set of, yeah,
tuple.
set of tuple.
So it converts into set. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
But
that's why I'm taking.
you haven't given any duplicate value. Then how I will know it's a set? If the tuple equal to 2, 546, 346,
Okay, okay, right.
344.
Wait, wait. So here we can give 2.
Yes. Now run.
So now run it removes the duplicate value.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yeah. And then so converting from list to tuple is completed. Tuple to list and set to tuple or anything we can convert.
Okay.
And then so okay, we can convert print of line list of the tuple. It convert into list. Here
Okay.
it shows it convert into list.
Okay. But it contains duplicate.
Yeah. This Google Colab shows always errors.
Mm,
And then you know about dictionaries. Yeah, we already discussed it in pandas about dictionaries.
dictionary.
Or you
Yeah.
can
Yes, you can write some one two line here for dictionary as well.
okay. And then dict equal to signing like 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 3, etc. And then print of dict. It is used okay, dict.
Spelling mistake.
Yeah, it is used
So
to and
one,
then
two, two, three. Same
so
return.
print of dict of 1 it returns 2 like here is the key is 1 so it returns the value.
Yeah, index value.
Yeah, so these are all about today. Oh, it's
Okay.
be like we need to learn less